Where the hell did it go? Whatever, it's probably nothing. The hell was that thing in that place?
Yeah, dude. We gotta know its origin first.
Yeah. Wait, is that him right there?
That is him! That's the dancing clown, dude!
What the heck? Well, it says right here it connects to the sewers. And that's where that kid
Sewers?
Georgie died. So
Yeah,
I think we should
dude.
go there. Should we go there?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Hey, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just heading to the sewers.
Wait, you mean that Mexican in the sewer named Georgie?
Yeah. We're just gonna head there.
Oh, okay. I'm curious down there. Can I come with y'all?
Sure. Let's go.
Let's go.
I think this is the place.
Let's find out.
Let's go.
Ugh, what the hell is this stupid fucking water?
Just
Y'all gonna walk in this?
Just come.
You're gonna walk? Oh my god, I wanna walk in this. Ugh, so cold.
It's
I
water.
think we should head that way.
Oh, this way.
Hey, y'all walk in this?
Alright, guys, it's dead end. I think we should.
Let's go back.
Yeah. Yo,
Let's go, dude.
You good?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
A small
What the freak?
something special.
Yeah.
Yo, dude, you good?
Bro, there's no time for jokes, dude. I don't want to be in this muddy water anymore. Stop.
I'll be special.
Oh, a
Hey,
joke.
kids.
Go, go, go! There's an exit! Right there! Go, go! Man, bro. I'm gonna go to sleep tonight.
Hey, Richie.
What the? Who called my name? Look at.
Richie?
Yo.
Sorry.
No, this is real. This is real, dude. No, this is
Oh,
real.
what are you doing?
Oh, this is a statue of my son had. It's trying to kill me, dude.
What do you mean? It's over there.
Just forget it, dude. Let's go home.
Okay.